Okay, so if like myself, you have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, one of my favorite cameras, then these are the top 5 must-have accessories in 2025 you need to buy to be able to use with this camera. Let's get into it. So number 1, this is the K&F charging adapter base and quick release USB-C mount. This is an absolute must-have. With the Pocket 3, you get this adapter, so you can use this with the 1/4 thread at the bottom and mount it on any tripod. The problem with this is that you lose the ability to use your USB-C port. That's where this comes in. It's heavy duty, it's metallic. Yes, you do have a 1/4 thread at the bottom as well, but more than that, this is actually in the design of a quick release plate, so you can mount this on a tripod very easily. Let's go ahead and connect it via USB-C. There you go, solid connection. But more than anything, this still gives you access, so you can actually charge the camera while still using it via the USB-C port on the back. But you can actually mount this onto a tripod that just has a 1/4 thread at the top of it, just like this. But you can also use this on a quick release tripod mount as well. So as you can see here, an example, I've used it on one of my universal tripods. It's very quick and easy to do. And it just gives you that convenience of being able to take this on and off a tripod without having the need to remove this entirely from the actual Pocket 3. So that is a must-have. But also what I've noticed is that with the USB-C connection at the back, I also use this to connect one of my wireless microphones via the Type-C interface. Now that is a convenient factor, because if I'm using this camera to record my footage, then getting great audio is also quite important, and this works with my Hollyland microphone, which I believe is going to be a better use case than using it via the wireless DJI microphone that connects via Bluetooth. So if you are going to connect it, then this is a must-have, so you can still add your peripherals via the Type-C port and have this as a convenient mounting option for your tripods. Next, we have the K&F Concept Pocket 3 magnetic mount stand. Now this comes in roughly around £16 on Amazon, and if you do want to get more options to mount your Pocket 3 in various different places, then a magnetic mount is also quite important. Very nice design here. So you can see this actually can be rotated to get the right angle. So this is a magnetic base. All you have to do is just open this up, place your Pocket 3 inside, and then you have a pullback clip. So you put that in there on the slot, pull back the clip, and it's a very strong clip in place. And now you have the magnetic stand. So if you push this back fully, there's also a lock switch just there as well, so that this doesn't move. To unlock it, you open that switch and it can open back up. Now this is going to be a great use case if you want to get some shots maybe from a metallic surface. One situation where this is going to be very useful is if you're in the gym, there's a lot of metal machines and racks that you can just mount this on very easily and then get your footage for maybe your social media. That is a convenient factor, and I can see a lot of people using this. But if you don't use it somewhere in the gym, then you can just generally use it where you have a metallic surface and you just want to mount it on top of that, see yourself on the screen, rather than putting this on a specific tripod. So it gives you a bit more of a versatile option of how you can mount this in various different places. Number 3, yet again by K&F Concept, who are one of my favorite brands for camera accessories. They have a wide variety of accessories, not just for the Pocket 3, but for pretty much any other camera. This is their magnetic wide angle lens for the Pocket 3. I think this is a must-have. Is if you're going to be doing a lot of filming and you feel like you don't have the right field of view with the Pocket 3 and you want to go a little bit wider, then this magnetic attachment for the lens to give you that wide angle view is a must-have. So not only does it come with the lens, it also comes with a screen protector, which I think is also important to make sure you don't get any scratches or marks on your actual screen. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put that on. Also comes with a microfiber cleaning cloth. And here's the wide angle lens. Let's go ahead and attach this. This is a magnetic attachment, so literally clip it into place and you're ready to go. You need to make sure that you turn the gimbal on before you attach this, because it does rotate the lens and it won't be able to fit through the gaps. And also remember to take this off when you are going to turn off the Pocket 3. Now here's a sample footage of me using it with and without the lens. So right now this is a shot of my summer house in the normal field of view by default with the Pocket 3. Now this is the view with the lens attached, and you can see it gives me a wider view of my back garden, and that is a very convenient thing as well. But if I'm going to film myself or get any type of close-up shots and I just want to get it a little bit more wider, then as you can see here, side-by-side comparison of how much extra footage you can get with the field of view when you have this lens attached compared to when it's not attached. So I think that's a very convenient thing if you just want to get the perfect shots at a much wider field of view. This is also going to be great if you want to get some landscape footage, if you're on holiday, for example. Many different use cases, so definitely check this out as one of my must-have accessories with any Pocket 3. Number 4, this is the Honbobo gimbal screen and lens protector. By default, you get this carry case for the Pocket 3. This is fine, except you are still exposed with the screen. So if you do drop this, for example, then you're kind of risking damaging the screen or even cracking it. So to get that resolved, you need to have a separate protective type case, which is where this comes in. So if I go ahead and lock this into place there, basically just cover the entire screen and the lens, now you can see it feels a little bit more safer, and you feel more confident knowing that if this does accidentally drop, your screen is protected as well as your lens. It is quite durable and quite solid, so I feel like it will do quite a good job. But nonetheless, if you are looking for an alternative, then I would suggest to take a look at this one on Amazon, and it comes in at just roughly around £10. And okay, number 5, last but not least, this is the SUREWO 360-degree rotation backpack strap mount. Now this is very simple. This will fit onto your backpack strap. What you need to do is simply just place your Pocket 3 inside this mount here. You kind of slot it in. Then this back part of this mount will fit into the locking mechanism. So if I go ahead and put that in, comes with the screw. You tighten that all the way through, and then you have this 360-degree rotation ball head just in there as well, so you can go horizontal pretty much all the way around. You are ready to put this onto your backpack, so you can tighten this as much as you want. So here's an example. If I put my backpack on there, this is made to go into the strap here. Now this is convenient if you want to get those shots and have your hands free completely. If you go on a holiday, you're going traveling, or you're on a hike and you just want to get some really cool footage whilst just not holding it all the time and your hand getting tired, then this is a very convenient way to do that. Now here's some footage of me going for a walk at a national park. And as you can see, I've got it attached and I'm not going to be touching it. I'm completely hands-free, and here's the stable footage that you can get with the Pocket 3 by just having this placed on top of your backpack strap. It's also important to make sure you have a solid strap, one that's not very thin or flimsy. If you can get one that locks together with the other side, that will make it a little bit more stable. But nonetheless, you can see the footage is absolutely great. So this gives you an even more versatile option to take this on your travels with you, and absolutely go hands-free if you need to. And there you have it, my top 5 must-have accessories for the DJI Osmo Pocket. Links for each of these are in the description below. If you have any questions or any other recommendations of other accessories which you think everyone should definitely get, then make sure to drop them down in the comments below. But if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you all next time.